All right, crew, welcome back. And today is where we build the relay panel. And we will also refer to it as Carmela's brain. So I got some pretty good tips from Streetcar Joe on relay panels, and they use carbon fiber. To me, I'm using this ABS plastic. It's just as strong, works well. Cut it to fit, pre-drilled it, and I'm gonna add the components: fuse box, ignition box, and some distribution blocks. And I'm gonna throw this together real quick, and then we're gonna go out there and see what it looks like inside the car. So give me just a second and let me get this thing assembled. Stand by. All right, and just like that, Carmela has a brain. So what you're looking at, fuse box, ignition control, positive and negative distribution blocks. So the rest of the circuits, whatever I run inside the car, I'm only looking to run 8 circuits specifically off of this. No lights, ignition, electric fan, water pump, stuff like that. The 12 volts will come from here, and everything will be grounded from here. Also, what's not on here is this starter solenoid. That will go like right there. I don't like this one. I might come up with something different, but I wanted to get it as compact and as neat as possible. As you can see, I got a lot of wire to run, but when all is said and done, it'll look really, really, really good. So now, take this, put this in the car, and I'll show you what this whole setup is gonna look like once it's in place. So give me just a second, and we'll transition over there. All right, just picking up where we left off. Forgive this cluster I got going on in here, but these are how the wiring projects typically start. There's Carmela's brain. We're gonna have this sitting flush up against the firewall back there, and it's gonna get its power and ground from there. These 2 cables right here, I used 4-gauge welding cable, and I brought this in along the side here. I brought it in from the battery under the car, brought it in the car right here, and ran it all the way up to there. Now on the other side, we'll ground it at the engine, and we'll run the ground from the negative cable, that's the black one, to the chassis as well. And then the positive on the other side of this wall is another 3/8 stud, and we will run that over to the starter. So now it's just a matter of spending time and running all these circuits, and I will be out here doing this for a while. So the next video will probably be with this all completed, and hopefully the interior all put back in. So that's all I got. See you all on the next one.